Hey Oscar, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you could beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners end up raising their hands and going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Just take care of this for me. So if at the end of this, Oscar, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we could chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is just free education. Now, Oscar, the 3 things I'm going to tell you about today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through and search through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your company, like fence installation and repair in Austin, fencing Austin, stuff like that. Now, Google wants to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever images are saved as. So looking at your website right here, this is a great looking website. I don't know if you built this yourself or you had it built for you, but this is awesome. I love all the rotating images you have here, really high quality images as well. It's an absolutely beautiful website you've got here. As far as content goes, Google's going to definitely want you to have more. I think you have probably about 200 to 300 words on here. Google's going to want you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words to consider you an authority. If you look at your main competitors, you got Viking Fence. These are the #1 guys. They probably have about 500 words themselves, not much. And Sierra Fence, 600 words maybe. Again, not that much. 1,500 words, which is what Google considers an authority. It's going to blow them out of the water nowadays. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. By the way, let me check out your images. I'm going to give you one more little tip if I can get to them. Save your images as things such as, here you go, save image as. You want to save that such as like Austin fencing repair and stuff like that. That counts as content, okay? Same with all the images. All right, so like I said, content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. Backlinks are important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and so look at how many other websites are linking from their website to your website and giving traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously not a pizza company. So use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And so here's your website right here. It says you have 5 domains linking to you, which leads to no traffic. I just want to show you what's available out there if you are adding the right backlinks. If you go to Viking Fence, or let's go to Sierra Fence first, #2 guys. They have 312 people pointing at them with 1.7 thousand people going to them. So right away, that's a lot more traffic. And then Viking Fence, they have 281 with 2.7 thousand going to them. So again, that's a lot of traffic. Could you imagine having 2,700 people clicking on your website? How many people you'd close? It's a lot of extra money. So I'd recommend to beat these guys, you're going to want to make sure you get at least 300 websites linking to you. And make sure they're within the industry that you're targeting, like fencing or home repair, stuff like that, decks. And the best way to do this is to go copy your competitors. So if you go to like Viking Fence's links that they have, Hercules Fence, automatic gates, steel fencing, wooden house plan, these will all be really good ones for you. Chicken wire fencing, fence supplies, gate opener, those will all be really good links for you to go out and grab yourself. Last thing I'm going to talk to you about is going to be citations. When someone types in Austin Fence and they're ready to buy, they're going to typically click on the first person that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that company because those are the easiest people to close. Many people skip these ads nowadays because a lot of people have had bad experiences with them, but on top of that, there's a lot of people who've just had, they just have ad blockers, so they never see them. And so, Oscar, the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map hack ranking. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones that people use. So a great strategy here is to go figure out what directories your competitors are in, go list yourself in those exact same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. 30 to 40% should give you a nice space cushion. So once they take that #1 spot, and you take that #1 spot, it takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you. You typically have to do maybe an hour or 2 of work per month to hold that #1 spot and take all those easy to close customers. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative, Oscar. The 3 things I went over today were content, Again, I definitely recommend getting this website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Backlinks, you're going to want to add on at least 300 websites linking to you within the fencing or home repair industry. And then citations, go figure out what directories your competitors are in and go list yourself in those exact same directories and add a bunch more on top. So if you want to do this yourself, Oscar, that's totally okay. Like I said, this is free education. There's no strings attached. All I ask is, as a response to this email, you just shoot me a couple words of feedback to help me make my videos better in the future to help other businesses. If you want me to take care of this for you, our website is SEO Dallas TX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. If you're on mobile, click this link, it goes right to our phones. Thanks for watching this, Oscar. Have a great day. Bye.